Hey guys, check this out. This is a 1990 Camaro IROC-Z with just under 6,000 original miles. This is a really nice piece. It is a convertible. It's the tune port injection V8 Overdrive automatic. Really nice example here. Excellent white exterior paint, gray and yellow stripes. Super clean interior. Power seats, power windows, power locks, super clean wheels. These tires are fairly new. These tires are from 2021, so they have been replaced, which is a good sign. So there you have it, 5,953 miles. The title for this vehicle does read mileage exempt, so it is believed to be just under 6,000 miles, and it's supported by the condition of the car. And that is very common, that a title would be exempt for the mileage. The DMV loves to do that on older vehicles. Fires up nice and easy with that tune port fuel injection, multi-port. Gauges look almost brand new. Everything in this interior almost looks brand new. All the buttons are the correct color. Slide really easy. The fan blows nice. Power locks work awesome. Check out this dash. I mean, these 80s dashes just cracked over the years. I mean, this dash is just in excellent condition. Really clean. For both sides, which is pretty sweet. Rear defroster for the convertible top. In 1990, they did a redesign of the gauges from the 89 and older, and they did an awesome job. The gauges just look great. And you can see here they call out automatic overdrive transmission. That's pretty cool. That was a big technology improvement for vehicles from the older 3-speed automatic. That fourth gear makes a huge difference in the highway. But yeah, this console is just in excellent shape. Love this interior. Alright, there you have it. There is your 5.0 liter tube port injection V8 engine. Super clean and original engine bay. And just look at all the factory marks, factory style power clamps, factory style intake, air intake, factory air conditioning, power steering, power brakes. super clean front end. This vehicle appears to have all of its original paint still intact. Has had a recent cut buff polish, and man, it looks awesome. Super clean body. No car's perfect. If you look hard enough, you can find, you know, there has been some paint touch up right there. But the hood's in excellent shape. Louvers look nice. Passenger side, the seats are just in excellent condition. I mean, those are just perfect. Back seats too. So for the convertible top, that opens up your rear hatch, and there is your top. I'm not going to show it in the video. If you go to our website, we'll have some really nice high-resolution pictures of the car with the top up and some close-ups of the top, so you can see what kind of shape it's in. You know, these wheels are all in really good shape. If you're interested in this low mileage, just under 6,000 original miles, 1990 IROC-Z Camaro, please go to our website. That's carsrememberwin.com. We'll have some detailed pictures of the undercarriage, detailed pictures of the interior, detailed pictures of the engine bay, you name it. And if there's anything that we left out and you have any other questions, you want to see something else, just let us know. We're happy to help. That's carsrememberwin.com. And if you're interested in the asking price, there's a link in the description. It'll take you right to this car. Thanks for watching.